Another one of those experimental videos I like doing here in my experimental greenhouse, where we are surrounded with strawberries, berries, a ginger and curcuma experiment we are running. So this is to do the sweet potatoes. I don't know how many of you have actually grown sweet potatoes. Probably most of you have eaten sweet potatoes and we love them. Normally I used to plant sweet potatoes in a cup and then the slips shoot out. But this year I'm deciding to experiment with a system where we grow them in a tray full of water. And also the experiment for this year is, rather than to grow directly into water, to actually put into pots in soil, let the roots and the slips come out, and then basically we cut the slips and plant. As always, using a mobile and trying to work with one hand is definitely not something which makes a lot of sense, so I'll just try one, and then if not, we will just paste some pics onto this video. Just for records purposes, this is the end of January, so we're right on time to have the slips growing in time for a spring transplant into the open field. So, empty pot, organic mix, this video you can't, this camera you can't even change location, so yeah, that's my beer tummy. So okay, there's the pot ready, so we'll just cut some slips. As you're realizing, I'm using for the experiment 2 different sizes, so we see which one works best. If I fix this here, oh yeah, actually it works into the green. Good. Okay, so we take a sweet potato. Outside is it's raining, by the way. Obviously we're in winter here. Temperature tonight is expected to go down to -3, but here in the greenhouse it's pretty nice and comfortable for me. So there goes one. A bit of more mix. So that is one small pot. With the big one, we'll try to avoid cutting the large sweet potatoes themselves. I don't know, is this in shot? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, good. With just as a small reminder that with organic farming, everything has to be certified organic, from the mix itself, obviously the sweet potatoes themselves, which we use to grow slips. So here my idea is to try to use whole ones, which in this case I would say we can start with one there and one there. And for experimental purposes I'm gonna leave this with half outside the compost itself. So we'll do it like this. Beautiful. If only you could smell. This is also very much the same system we use to grow ginger and turmeric, which I showed you a bit earlier on there. Okay, so I'll end this video here, but we have 2, and then I'll update it I'll update it in around, I would say that the slips might take at least at this temperature probably 2 to 3 weeks to grow. That's it. So until we talk again, maybe I can show you just how the strawberries are growing, which has nothing to do with sweet potatoes, but these are the strawberries which we transplanted from our strawberry fields. You can see already we have small mini strawberries. Using this camera and the other way around. Let's find a better one. Let's see. So finger, you can see that's how it grows. Small flower. Another one down here. These are still baby plants, so it will take some time until they will go into full production. Till we meet again. Ciao, ciao.